So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. We are at 100 subscribers and I want to start by thanking you. So if you're traveling today and you have to travel, the first thing you need to do, get a check. Get a corona check so that get tested so that you can get a certificate to enable you to travel. That is more so if you're traveling outside the country. Secondly, you need to consider washing your hands in every point, in every opportunity you have. Washing hands is better than using sanitizer. So people keep washing your hands in every wash point that you get to. Don't forget to wash your hands. You also need to wear your mask. Carry extra masks. Extra masks are better so that you can be able, in case it comes off, especially the disposable ones, you can replace. Have as many masks as you can and wear the mask properly. Don't forget to subscribe as we talk about what you need to do, tips as you travel. When you visit your hotel room, people, now let's talk about the hotel room. Number one, you need to have a sanitizer with you if you want, and you can clean the surfaces that you feel can expose you to COVID. And if you don't have a spray, the sanitizer that is a spray, then you can let the hotel know in advance so that they clean for you the hotel, so that you can be able to be comfortable and feel like you're in an environment that is healthy for you not to get COVID. So people, just be careful. What I'm trying to say, let's slow down on travel, but let's be careful. Let's clean the surfaces as we move along. Instead of using a lift, why not use a flight of stairs? Anytime I go up the stairs, from even anywhere I travel or anywhere I go, I normally prefer using the stairs over the lift, because in most lifts they are not marked that it is limited to a number of people, so people crowd. So try use the stairs. Use the stairs so that you're safer as you're traveling. Keep distance. That one we've had many times before. Let's try and keep distance. Let's social distance. Even if you end up having a drink, I notice that people after having a drink they start moving closer. Please people, keep distance. It's important for you to be safe. So as you travel, try and keep distance as much as possible. And something I forgot to say, let's wash our hands. I have said it. We need to for 20 seconds. So we need to keep singing 20 seconds as we wash our hands. Then we need not to touch our faces. I've learned the art of, trying not to scratch or touch my face as I do my traveling. If you suspect that you're sick, people, please stay home. I want to encourage you. Traveling doesn't end, but travel safely. Our lives have to continue, so I wanted to give you hacks. This has been Miss Nyakiba. Thank you so much. We see you next time. Thank you. This is the Travel Channel as usual. Thank you, people. Bye-bye.